Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Sucheta Kriplani. Who was the first woman Governor in India? Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first woman President of India? Pratibha Patil. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Who was the first woman IPS officer in India? Kiran Bedi. Which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa. Who is the first citizen of India? President. Who is the second citizen of India? Vice President. Who is the third citizen of India? Prime Minister. Who is the fourth citizen of India? Governors of states. When Independence Day is celebrated in India every year? On 15th August. When Republic Day is celebrated in India every year? 26th January. Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who is the composer of national song of India? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Who is the composer of national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the designer of Indian national flag? Pingali Venkaya. How many spokes in the national flag of India? 24 spokes. What is the main source of energy on Earth? Sun. Which is the highest mountain in India? Kanchenjunga. Which is the lowest point of India? Kuttanad. When we celebrate Navy Day in India? On 4th December. When we celebrate National Post Day in India? On 10th October. Which is the highest sports award in India? Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. When Hindi Day is celebrated every year? On 14th September. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Assam. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga. When National Youth Day is celebrated in India every year? On 12th January. When National Army Day is celebrated in India every year? On 15th January. When National Sports Day celebrated in India every year? On 29th August. India is situated in which continent? In Asia. India is situated in which region of Asia continent? South Asia. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. How many primary colors are there? 3. Red, yellow and blue. What do you call a house made of ice? Igloo. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Japan. Which continent is known as dark continent? Africa. Which is the hardest substance available on the earth? Diamond. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Anemometer. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day? 8th September. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? 5th June. Which is the largest democracy in the world? India. Which planet is known as Red Planet? Mars. Who is the current President of India? Ramnath Kovind. Who is the current Vice President of India? Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who is the current Education Minister of India? Dharmendra Pradhan.